This is how I turned this outfit into 6 different outfits. Firstly, I noticed that the top is so long, so I decided to do something about it. So I decided to turn the clothes upside down and use my bra to secure it tightly. I made sure that the cloth is firmly protected with the bra. I put on the clothes properly, and as you can see, the cloth is now short a bit. Adjust the hand of the cloth, and I decided to add a little bit style, so I wore the first long sleeve hand, and the second hand I decided to wrap it around to see how it's going to look, and it really looked nice, so I left it that way. At this point I loved what is giving, but I decided to try more styles. So you can see how beautiful and sexy this top was looking. I just transformed it into a beautiful top. So I was feeling myself, but I decided to try other styles. The second style was me putting on the second hand, and it really looked beautiful. It looked like it's just a top. You will even know that I did some changes, so I liked it, so I slayed. If this video is too long, I'm sorry. I'm just telling you a story on how I did this transformation. So I slayed. I wore my glasses, and I was like, oh, I'm feeling good. So I was loving myself, and I was like, yeah, this is how I want to look. So I picked this one. I was going to go out with this look, but I have to try other styles too. Other ideas got into my mind, so I tried them though. So I don't know if these other styles are good or nice, but I decided to still make the video of it. So let me know in the comment section below if you like these other styles. So the idea came for me to tie it at the back, the two handles at the back, and I did, and it was looking fine, but I think I like the first two, so let me know. So I tied it at the back, and it was looking more sexy and beautiful too. Wow. Oh shit, all the sexy girls, all the Agbani girls, raise up your hands. Omo, look at my body. Oh, it is my actual body. Omo, all the sexy mama. Oh shit, I was feeling myself until I decided to try another style, because is it not trying we are doing. So I decided to try another style, and the other style was also given. My village people now told me to tie the two hand at the front, so I crossed it at the front and I tied it. So looking good and beautiful. I adjusted it very well, and that's another one. And then I now decided to go crazy. I said, let me try this thing. Oh, let me see if it's going to stay as a hot gown. And I say, I tried make. I don't like that cut, and that is cut at the middle. I say, okay, let me try to see if I can fold that part. So I decided to fold that part, and let me see if this thing is going to look like a hot cheeky dress. I did it though. I was surprised. It transformed into a hot gown, and I even jumped up. The thing did not even scatter. I say away. So look at. So that's how I turned it into 6 outfits. Oh yeah, tell me which one is your best, because you guys should not come for me. Me, I'm just telling my own story. Don't come for me. I'm just telling my own story. Oh. I like this warm, this hot chicken gun, but me, where am I going to wear it to? Kwano? I'm gonna buy.